Ingredients: bread, glass of milk, butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup milk powder, pinch of saffron soaked in 2 tablespoons of milk, cardamom powder, pistachio and cherry for the garnishing. Take a pan, add 2 cups of milk. Put the pan on medium flame and stir it. Boil and keep stirring. Add half cup sugar and 1/4 cup milk powder. Add saffron milk and then cardamom powder in it. Stir continuously on medium flame until milk reduced into half quantity. Now malai is ready. Now to prepare filling or mawa, take a separate pan and put 1 tablespoon of butter. When butter is melted, add half cup of milk, bring to boil. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add half cup of milk powder. Stir well on medium flame until it thickens. Now filling is ready, let it cool down. Take the bread slice, cut the edges. Press the bread piece properly. Put the filling inside the bread. Use some water on edges and roll it. Place them into serving plate. Now add malai on bread roll. Garnish it with cherry, and little bit of pistachio. Now your bread malai roll is ready.